What's happening, electric enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. This video highlights our 20-mile trip in San Diego towards Imperial Beach Pier. Crystal and I race our old e-bikes 3 times since we found some long stretches along the way. First test is throttle only, the second at max pedal assist only, and lastly a combination of max throttle and max pedal assist test. Crystal used the Super73 S2, which tops at 31 miles per hour, and I used an unlocked Zugo Rhino, which tops at 28 miles per hour. This isn't an in-depth comparison video, but the speed and acceleration between the bikes are significant. Additionally, though it weighs a bit less, the Zugo Rhino is a taller and bulkier e-bike than the Super73 S2. For us, it was more challenging fitting the Zugo Rhino in our SUV versus the Super73. The Zugo Rhino is easier to pedal because of the included Shimano gears and the crank size. However, the Super73 1000 to 2000 watt motor was simply too much compared to a 750 watt motor. This is pretty much a given, but for those that are considering these e-bikes, we hope you find this video helpful. Kindly like and subscribe for more content, and don't forget to check out the links in the description below for the gears we use, meetup rides, and $100 off your Super73. Enjoy the rest of the video. This is Julian signing out. You can see she's gone. Super73s are gone. I'm barely approaching my max speed, and she's gone. She's gone, guys. Bye bikes. And she's not even stopping. Look at that. Look at her. She's no-handing. Unbelievable, this chick. Unbelievable. Are you showboating? Come on, you showboater. Let's trade. Okay, wait. Another test. Stop here. Stop here. Stop. All right. Another test is we're just gonna go. You're still gonna go on your highest throttle, pedal assist.
Highest.
Yeah. What is it, 4? Let's see.
That's only 4.
Okay. Now we're not gonna press the throttle button, but we're gonna just pedal as fast as we can. Okay? On that red sign, the next red sign over there. Okay? Pedaling. Ready, set, go. Gotcha. I got her. I think I got her. I got her so far, guys. I got the Super73. Oh, what the? What? Oh my God! What the heck? Why was I so slow? What just happened? Were you pedaling? Huh? Were you pedaling? We're gonna try again. When it's green, we're just gonna pedal until that last street pole. That street pole. Just pedaling, okay? I think I stopped pedaling and then I just see you speed right on by. I think I was already laughing. I couldn't see you until you passed me. What the hell? Did you cheat?
No.
Okay, just pedal. I had the thing on you too. I had to jump. And I was laughing. I was looking this way, and then little I don't know, you're already in this side. Okay, hey, get ready. Wait, what? Did you press it? Let's just cross first. Let's cross. Just cross. Regularly cross. Okay, stop right here at this do not enter wrong. Wait. All right. All clear skies here. Just pedal, okay? Get your pedal upright. We're gonna stop at the second street light. You see the second? Or I think you're gonna beat me by then already, but just slow down after you beat me already. Ready? Set, go. Come on. She's behind. She's behind. Good showboater. What the hell? Dude, okay, stop. I think you just pedaled, right? Okay, last test, throttle all the way and pedal all the way, okay? I know you're gonna beat me, but whatever. Let's just do it for the YouTube. So just push the button, stop going ahead of me. Okay, ready, set, go. Alright, I think I can do this. I have a chance. I have a chance. Come on. No! Oh gosh. Oh man. There you have it, guys. Super73 wins each time, of course, as expected. That's just one test that we're doing.